On page 118 in Lesson 76, you see Drill 1 in the middle of the page, and it says to start a new blank document in Word and save it as 76 Drill 1 Main. And then it says follow the path above, which is the blue text in the yellow highlighting, and it will show you a list of mail merge options in the Word program, and then it tells you to click step-by-step mail merge wizard. Now you may notice, if you do read everything in the book, that the instructions kind of conflict with each other. I notice in the blue font at the yellow highlighting, it says start mail merge twice. Well, that second start mail merge is actually the instruction that tells you to click step-by-step mail merge wizard. So don't get frustrated with the instructions. I'll try and walk you through this step by step so you'll know what you need to do and where things are. Now in step number 2 in drill 1, it says follow the 6 steps of the mail merge wizard explained below and on the next few pages. To move from one step to the next, click next, located at the bottom of the pane. Well, there are words attached to that command for next also. This drill will lead you through the steps for using the mail merge wizard. So underneath there, step 1 says to select the document type. First thing I need to do is open Word. I'm going to open Word, and as step number 1 in drill 1 said, you need to open a new blank document and save it as 76 drill 1 main. So here's my new blank document. I'm going to open File and Save As, and I'm going to navigate to my flash drive, as should you, or to whatever storage device you're using. And we're going to go to my flash drive for this course, and I'm just going to name it 76 Drill 1 Main. This is going to be the main document. This is going to be the letter that we type up and put the merge field codes in so that we can create the merged document after we do this and the data source document. Alright, so on my flash drive I am saving a blank page in Microsoft Word as 76 Drill 1 Main. I'm going to click Save. Here it is with its title at the top. Now we're not going to touch it at this point. We're just going to start the mail merge wizard. So we're going to go to the Mailings tab as indicated in the yellow highlighted text above, and we're going to the Start Mail Merge button, and we're going to click it. And here are the different things that you can do with the mail merge wizard. Now I'm going to come down here to the bottom and click on step-by-step mail merge wizard, and the wizard will appear over here on the right side of the screen. It doesn't say wizard on it. Don't let that confuse you. This is the wizard, and there's a step-by-step process that you follow, and you can see that at the bottom. Alright, we're going to do a letter. So out of all these choices, letter is already chosen, and we can move on down here. It's always a good idea to read everything that you're provided with. So if we choose letters, it says we're going to send letters to a group of people. You can personalize this letter that each person receives. Click Next to continue. Here's Next, starting a document. Okay, the next screen. How do you want to set up your letters? We're going to use the current document, we're going to start from a template, or we're going to start from an existing document. We're using the current document, this one, the one we just saved. It's a blank piece of paper, but we're using it. So using the current document, we're starting from the document shown here and use the mail merge wizard to add recipient information. And then we click Next, select recipients. Alright. Here are the options. Use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, or type a new list. Well, this is a drill. We weren't provided a data file for this, so we're going to type a new list, and I'm going to click on that. Here's the type a new list box. It says type the names and addresses of the recipients, and we're going to click Create. Now, here is something new. This is actually an Access database table. This doesn't look like an Access database screen for those of you who have taken Access, but it's the same thing. It provides the same information, allows you to do the same things, and this is where we're going to put our names and addresses. Now, if you'll notice up here at the top, there's a title field, first name field, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2, city, state, zip code, country or region, home phone, work phone, email address. All right, these are all default fields that Word and Access provide when you want to do a mail merge, but not necessarily what we need or want. If you look at page 119 at the bottom of the page, you have 3 different names and addresses of people who will receive this letter in our drill for the mail merge. Over on the left-hand side of that list, you have a column called field names. These field names match some of the field names in the table, but then there are others that are not there, and there are some that we need to get rid of. So title, first name, last name, company name are there. Address line 1 is there, but here's an address line 2. So we're not going to use this, and we don't want it in our way because it takes up space and it's confusing to us. So we're going to learn how to now fix these field names to be what we want to be. Down at the bottom, there's a button that says Customize Columns. So we're going to click that. These are the columns that it's talking about. Customize Columns. Here is a list of all of the field names that are on this table. We can add to and delete from this list. So looking at page 119, you can see that we need title, we need first name, we need last name, we need company name, we need address line 1, but we don't need address line 2. Click on it one time, click delete. And it says when you delete the field address line 2, any information in this field will also be deleted. That means that you may have already created this table and there may be information in that field, but there isn't. This is a blank, empty table. So it's okay. Just click yes and delete it. The next field we need is city, and then state, and then zip code, and then we need time. But there is no time in here. There is no room in here, and there is no speech in here. So pretty much after zip code, yeah, we don't need country or region, so we can delete it. And yes, we're going to delete it because the table is empty. We don't need home phone, so we're going to click on it and delete it and click yes because the table is empty. We don't need work phone. Click on it, delete it. Click yes because the table is empty. We're not afraid of losing data. And click on email address and click delete and click on yes. We don't have any data to lose on there. Okay, we need to add time, room, and speech. So let's do speech. Let's add speech to this list. Over here, add, delete, rename, move up, move down, cancel, and OK. We can add a field. We just have to type in what we want. I'm going to type in speech and click OK or press enter, and there's speech. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to add room, and always make sure you capitalize as the instructions in the book tell you. And we need one more, which is going to be time. So I'm going to click add and type in time and click OK. Now here are the fields that we are going to use in our letter, but we might want to look at this order here because this may not be the order that is going to be in the letter or the order that we prefer to use. So we're going to change the order. We're going to move time up here to where speech is. Since time is already highlighted, it's just a quick and easy thing. We're going to click move up, and every time we click it, it moves up one line. So time now is under zip code like you see in the book. Room needs to be after time, so click on room one time and click move up one time. And now your list here in the customize address list box should match what you see on page 119. So we're going to click OK. Alright, now you can scroll with the scroll bar here at the bottom and see that all of our field names are listed just like we added them a minute ago in that step of the drill. What we have to do now is type all of this information in here, and I'm going to stop the video and start a new one after I'm finished with the first 2 records that I type in here. So be patient, look at the next video.